whole objective, the purpose of the event, it's celebrating the relationships that we have with the financial institutions that we invest in. So we bring CEOs or other senior managers of these organizations here to share stories and experience across countries and across continents, and have an opportunity to engage with the investors in our funds that we very specifically for this purpose bring to the meeting here today, so that they can also have good conversations and insights in what these investees are all about.
We believe that people need a place where to keep their money safely. That is through savings. We believe that people need a place where to borrow so that they are able to invest, create jobs, and make people more active and the economy vibrant, so as to be able to carry out economic activities.
Access to finance is very important in Nicaragua, because people, especially let's say poor people or entrepreneurs or micro-entrepreneurs, don't have access to bank. We have many products, but the product that we are proud of is home improvement. For micro-entrepreneurs, home is not only just to live, but it's also the place where they do the working and the business. I mean, the more satisfaction you get is that you forget about the bottom line if you are doing business or not. What you look is at the people and the face of our clients and see how happy they are and how they are developing themselves.
We introduced a mechanism of reaching out to people through mobile banking. Through access through this mobile platform, they should be able to be included in the financial space.
We invested in microfinance in 2003. We wanted to support that sector out of financial reasons, but also on social impact aspects, of course. We're a private bank, so we have demanding clients, and the key point for us is to have close relationship with the asset manager we choose. So transparency is key for success for us.
We want to invest according to our standards and to have a nice risk and return, especially reward. And secondary, we also want to make an impact. So that's why we decided to invest in microfinance.
One big opportunity can be financial technologies in developing markets. For instance, Africa having a high penetration rate of mobile banking. So it's a challenge, but also an opportunity for microfinance institutions to transform themselves to tackle it.
6 million people are the ones that the banks, the 24 commercial banks in the country, are reaching out of a potential of 18 million. The opportunity that we can have these people access financial services, being able to invest, develop themselves, and being able to be useful in the economy that is emerging.
There is a lot of room for doing microfinance in Nicaragua. Pharma is not the largest one, it's the second. We are the most profitable, but not the largest, so we do have room to grow.
It really makes me proud when we hear from anecdotal evidence that something that we do, that it really matters.
The key issues for the inclusive finance sector in the coming 2 years are looking around and see what's happening in the market. And there's 3 things that I see happening in particular there. Is one, there is a lot of enthusiasm around the sustainable development goals. We are increasingly looking at that from an inclusive finance perspective. In addition, there is an increasing focus on the small and medium enterprise segment of the market, so somewhat beyond microfinance, different market, different dynamics, but very important, youth financing gap. And last but not least, we continue to see and follow developments on the financial technology side, which holds tremendous potential.